Hello friends, welcome back. Our today's topic is implementation of universal gates using basic gates. So before starting with this point, let us first revise the different types of logic gates that we have seen in the previous video. So do you remember these logic gates? We will wait here. You recall all the output expressions of all these gates. Hope you have recalled all the expressions. Now let us start with today's topic. Which are the universal gates? You all know. Yes, NAND gate and NOR gate are the universal gates. Now why these two gates are known as universal gates? Because they can implement any Boolean logic, that is 0 or 1, without using any other logic gate. We can design any logic gates using NAND or NOR gate. They are easy to fabricate or construct. They are economically feasible. Now we will see how to convert universal gates into basic gates. You know the expressions of NAND gate and NOR gate. So the expression of NAND gate is A, B bar, and expression of NOR gate is A plus B whole bar. You also know the expressions of AND, OR and NOT gates. Expression of AND gate is AB, OR gate expression is A plus B, and NOT gate expression is A bar. From both these, we can easily construct the basic gates using either NAND or NOR gate. Now let us see how to construct a basic gates using NAND gate. First we will see how to construct AND gate using NAND gate. So here it is. Two NAND gates are combined together. For the first NAND gate, two inputs are provided A and B. So the output of first NAND gate will be A, B bar, which is further applied to one more NAND gate. So the final output of second NAND gate will be A into B, which is the output expression of AND gate. Now we will see how to construct OR gate using NAND gate. So here three NOR gates are required. For the first NOR gate, the two inputs are combined together to provide a single input as A, and for the second NAND gate, two inputs are combined to provide an input as B. So the output of first NAND gate will be A bar, output of second NAND gate will be B bar, which is further applied to the third NAND gate. So the output of third NAND gate will be A, B whole bar, which is nothing but A plus B. Now we will see how to construct NOT gate using NAND gate. Very simple diagram. Just a single NAND gate is used. The two inputs are combined together to form a single input A, which will give us the output as A bar. Next we will see how to construct basic gates using NOR gate. We will start with AND gate. So to construct AND gate using NOR gate, we require three NOR gates. For the first NOR gates, the two input lines are combined together to form a single input A, and for the second NOR gate, the two inputs are combined together to provide output as B. So the output of first NOR gate will be A bar, output of second NOR gate will be B bar, which is further applied to the third NOR gate, which will finally give us the output as AB, which is the output expression of AND gate. Now we will see How to construct OR gate using NOR gate. So here two NOR gates are required. For the first NOR gates, two inputs are provided, A and B. So the output of first NOR gate will be A plus B bar, which is further applied to the second NOR gate. Okay, so finally we get the output of second NOR gate as A plus B, which is the logic expression of OR gate. Now we will see the NOT gate, how to construct NOT gate using NOR gate. So this is the diagram, very simple. Just a single NOR gate is used. The two inputs are joined together to give a single input as A, and we get the output as A bar. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you for watching.